Supporters of the nationwide trade union strike organized a silent protest on the railway tracks at Khamtingbari under the Jirania subdivision today. The demonstration briefly disrupted train movement as picketers sat on the tracks, raising slogans against the central government's labor and farm policies. Early Thursday morning, a group of activists from various trade unions and mass organizations reached the rail section at Khamtingbari. The protesters sat on the railway line to halt any potential train movement. Upon receiving news of the blockade, a contingent of railway police and local administration officials rushed to the spot. After a brief period of negotiation and the removal of protesters from the tracks, the situation was brought under control. Railway authorities confirmed that while there were minor delays, services were destroyed quickly. Across the rest of the state, including major stations at Agartala and Dharmanagar, train services operated according to their regular schedule. Pure report, Chini Khorang.